Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing more cod fishing. It's finally cod open. Super excited. We're going to be using these Barambah lures. Give them a bit of a go and just see what we come up with. Yeah, we've got an next day and a half and this afternoon to fish. So let's hope we get stuck into a few. I'm just so excited to be back cod fishing before this big trip I'm doing. So keep an eye out for that too. It won't be out for another month or so from my big trip, but there'll be heaps of footage from that big trip and hopefully a bit of footage from this trip. So stick with it guys and stay tuned and I'll see you on the next one. Phew. Alright guys, we have cast it in. Just gonna work some top water, see if we can get a good top water hit. I'm very keen for a top water hit. I want that big buff. You want that big buff, Aiden?
I want that big buff.
You want that big buff?
Yeah, you get that big buff.
Pretty accurate with that lure?
Yeah, I'm liking it. Pretty weak.
Oh bro, I'm scared. I'm scared for this trip, eh? I know we're gonna get buffed so badly. Come on, one buff. Boom. Oh, he got hit just there. Oh, this is what? Second cast, third cast in?
Yeah, third cast.
Oh man, come on. I think we're in for a good weekend here, man. I think we are in for a good weekend. Oh!
Not the trip.
How
Yes.
cool is that? Let's go! That's sick as. I was waiting for it to happen.
What did I say? That ledge was going to be good.
That ledge was good, man. That's so sick. Oh, bro. I got that on footage too. Oh, no, I didn't.
Yeah, you stopped it, didn't you?
Good.
You stopped it, didn't you?
I'll get you to.
Is he, how big is he?
All right, guys. I missed the hookup, but Hayden's on the board, which is cool. I pressed the button at the wrong time. Oh well.
Oh,
But he's got a good fish, and that was a sick 8, man. He is 62, I'd say. See, 62. 62 centimeter. All right, come over here, bro. Get some photos. All right. Look at that, guys. First cod of the trip, Hayden, on top water, which is just awesome.
only way to do it, top water or go home, boys.
Get some good angles for Hayden for his little cod. Come over here.
Sunset's nice.
Ew. How cool is that, man? Are you happy with that?
Happy with that for the first fish of the trip.
Ew. Alright, let's get on release, eh? In the mud. Get the legs out. Look at that. He's going. Oh, he got you back on that one.
He did too.
Alright, guys. Now it's time for me to get one. Hayden's killing it.
Let's do it.
Oh, that's so sick, man. I watched it and I fucking hit the butt of the wrong time.
Wait, it was already recording,
It was
wasn't it?
already recording. Oh, I should have that eat on camera, but I turned it off. So you don't get the fight.
Maybe the eat, but not the fight.
Nah. Yeah, that's dumb as.
But, oh no, don't worry.
Nah, it's pretty cool, but. There's that reed. Oh, jeez, I got that one on camera.
Beast, bro.
Whoa, that was cool.
Only a little guy.
He was only little, but that was cool, 8 man. Oh, that was so cool. God damn. That's cool. Woo! He only a little guy, but you don't need a photo of him, do you?
Nah.
Don't struggle, buddy. There's that little fish that Hayden got.
Right there. Right there. We put, what, 7 casts through it. Nah. Yep. All right, then.
Jesus.
You can do it with, oh, he's lockjaw. Where's both hooks just pinned in?
No, you got,
Top and bottom.
yeah.
Hook, pliers.
No, it should be right, I think. Hopefully. It's scary doing this with the little fish. The little fish are the dangerous ones. There you go.
Thank you.
Off he goes. That was a cool eat because he just ripped him out of the water. he just was like started flying in like 2 seconds.
Right there too, at your feet.
That's cool, man. That's so cool. Alright guys, I have not caught a cod yet, but we are about to go into night mode. So all you'll hear is buffs, headlamp, and then you'll be able to see fish. But really soon we'll be going night mode, so listen out for those big hits if we actually get any, which I don't doubt we will. But yeah, so far it looks nice, beautiful sunset, awesome scenery. Hayden's having fun catching fish. Couple sheep. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I catch fish, I hope. Oh, right there. Missed him. Come on, come back for it. Come on.
You look like a decent fish.
He's stud, sounded pretty decent. Goes back in there, goes back in there. Come on. Oh! Missed it again. Oh, he's been shy. You know, oh, right there. Oh, no, he missed it. Yeah, he felt it that time. Oh, that was
cool.
Sick. That's sick, man. That is so sick. Woo. Oh, little guy. Little guy. First hit. Oh, no. You. This weed, bro. There is actually a bit of weed here, eh? I don't think it was a little guy, eh? I don't know. It's hard to tell. first interest. It was like the tiniest hit too. I don't think it was a little guy, I think he was decent, but he kissed it, yeah. Oh, got him. Hell yeah. That was sick. Oh man, you don't get much better than cod eats. Even if they're just little ones, but oh, top water. That's sick as. Whew. He's good. He's like 60s. There we go guys, just another healthy. I reckon he's just reaching 60, maybe 58, something like that. Good fish on surface either way. I don't care if they're this big, this is just awesome fun on top water. So we'll get him safe for release, we'll get some pics and then see how it goes. Got him that time. He's good, I reckon. He's like 60s, 70s. On the spin. Oh, that drag makes me laugh, eh? Surprised he came back a second time. Yeah, I don't know, he felt like he felt hooks. He's alright, he's like 60s. Like low 60s. No light. Hang on. Head torch. Bingo. There we go. Nice little coddy. Release him. He's gone. He came back a second time. That was pretty sick. Got it.
Oh, that's a bit of rain.
Yeah, I could feel it. It's only above us, so like, there's no. If you look 360, there's nothing.
There's a bit over there.
Just, oh.
Cast again. What do I do?
No, he's under it.
What?
He's under it.
Sure.
I think he is, yeah.
No, weed.
No, I think he was. I only got the weed later. Oh, right there.
Right there.
Right there. That was sick as, man. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but that is sick. Whoa, here's a good cod too. Woo. On the Barambah lures, budgie. Oh, just showing on the fish ate it. That's all good, man. Bro, he annihilated it. Oh, that is so sick, man. He is a good fish too. He's a good fish. He is a very good fish. He's like 60 something.
He's a fat boy.
He's long too, man. Look at that.
That's nice.
I reckon brag mat for that. Oh, that is so sick, guys. I got the little spook, and then he came and munched it. Oh, that is so sick. I gotta leave that lure in there too. What is he? Oh, he's
number 60.
He's high.
62.
Yeah, he's about. Oh,
63.
there we go, guys. First fish of the budgie one. I couldn't get in the light for you guys, but I hope you guys heard that just amazing bluff. That's not budgie one. That's the Barambah's budgie. But yeah, first fish on that lure. Thank you, Barambah, and that is an awesome start to it. I can't believe that was so sick. I seen that little swirl and he just came up and buffed it right in front of my face, so that really doesn't get much better than that. Oh, that's so sick. Alright, let's get some shots, man. What do you reckon?
Sexy sunset, beautiful.
Go. Alright guys, there's that nice cod. He is totally fired up. So you get a nice release. He is very fired up and ready to go. Alright, show me. You!
That's the one.
First fish, let's go.
On sunset.
Thanks, man. You can go a bit further if you want. I can go here. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. Oh, the fishy, fishy, fishy worked. He's on. He's on. Good one. A little guy. There we go, guys. Another fish for Hayden in the night. I literally said, here, fishy, fishy. And guess what I did? Got him. It ate it. So that was pretty cool.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Awesome, Hayden. It's getting released. Into the swamp. They are so lively, man.
Real healthy.
Hell yeah.